Have you ever agreed to do something for a friend? Listen to this story and learn one way to use the verb agree. My friend was traveling last week. She asked me to do some things for her while she was away. I agreed to water her plants. I agreed to feed her cat. And I agreed to walk her dog. How can we use the verb agree? To agree to do something means to say that you will do what someone asks you to do. We can use agree before an infinitive. An infinitive is to plus the base form of a verb. She agreed to work on the project. He agreed to cook dinner. We can't use agree before a gerund. A gerund is the ing form of a verb that acts as a noun. Now it's your turn. What have you agreed to do for friends? This is American English. Thank you for watching.